Jira, a project management tool developed by Atlassian, allows teams to efficiently track, manage, and deliver work. It provides several project types to support different working styles and methodologies. Basically, we can create multiple type of projects if we are using general subscriptions like having Jira Software, Jira Service Management, and Jira Core or Business. We can create different type of projects based on our requirement of the organization, right? So today we are discussing the type of projects we can create in Jira. So for creating a new project and to see the types of project you can create based on your subscription and based on your type of the product you're using, you can go to the projects on the top navigation bar and go to the create project button. There you can see the types of projects or templates you can create from Jira. So in the Jira software, you can create three types of projects that basically includes Jira software, Scrum model, Kanban model, and the bug tracking ones. So in the Scrum project, that is basically ideal for teams to plan their work in sprints. This includes agile team working on software development or any deliverable that fits into a sprint structure. The other one, that's the Kanban project that's suited for the teams who focus on continuous delivery and prefer to visually manage their work on a board. This might include support teams managing incoming requests or software teams practicing continuous delivery. After that, we have the bug tracking project that's basically designed for the teams who want to maintain a backlog of bugs to fix without any specific agile methodology attached. Apart from that, if we move forward, like into the project creation, let's say we go to the Scrum project and use the template, we get the two options. Either we can create the team managed ones or the company managed ones. It is important to understand which type of project is best suited based on your requirements. Like the team managed projects in a Scrum project, it is basically a simplified Scrum project that's streamlined for small and less complex projects. It provides few configuration options and it's easy to set up. On the other hand, if we go back to the project template and if we select the Kanban project model and we use the sprint, we use the template, then we also get the team managed and the company managed types. So in here as well, in here, we get a simplified Kanban project type. If we select the team managed ones, that is perfect for small teams or projects that want a visual representation of work without the overhead of additional configuration options. So this is where you can select the relevant template and just select the type of project and it will create a project in Jira. Then we have the service management projects that includes different types that's built for the teams who receive and resolve requests from other teams or customers, let's say IT support, customer service, etc. It provides a customer portal, SLAs, queues, and more. Then we get the Jira Core or the business projects. The business projects that are basically ideal for like managing, such as marketing, HR, finance, and operations. It includes issue tracking, but does not include agile boards like Scrum or Kanban. So availability of features of these projects vary based on the version of Jira you are using, like either your core, your software, your service management, and whether it's your cloud or Jira server or data center. Additionally, Jira is a highly customizable and allows you to configure these projects types based on your unique needs or even create new project types if you have the right permissions and add-ons. So once you select the type of project based on your product you're using, you can work on a project, like you can create multiple type of projects, you can like select from those projects and you can work on it. Like in here, if I go to viewing my old projects, here I can see the type of projects I created in different type of subscriptions I'm having with Jira, like in Jira software, I have these projects. In Jira service management, I have these projects. In Jira work management, I have these projects. Like I have nothing in here, so it means I have not created any business projects so far. So this is how you can figure out that which type of product or project you are using with the flow sheet. We will be getting more details about different stuff that we can do in Jira in future videos. Thank you.